Danny, I'm super excited. I finally have my very own light box set. I've been dealing with problems here in Michigan where it is winter and it's dreary and dark most of the days. So this is what it looks like right out of the box. It has a cute carrying tote bag and it has separate bags for the individual tripods, and it includes two of each, the softbox covers, and of course the silver umbrellas themselves. And it also has these two sandbags, so if you're going to be shooting photography outside, this is a great solution for windy days. And it includes these cable ties to help you keep your wires organized and your studio looking nice and tidy. So these are highly adjustable. They range from 29 inches all the way up to 78 inches. It's adjustable on 3 different levels, and the base of the tripod also is able to be adjusted. You have 2 incandescent light bulbs, which has a 5500K daylight CFL coloring. These are pretty huge. I was really amazed by these, and I love that they are also energy saving bulbs, which is pretty cool. Each bulb has 135 watts, but it also conserves energy by 80%. This is really great for any kind of photography art, or if you're doing selfies. It's so versatile. You can apply it to just about anything. Setup is super easy. You just flop the tripod down, adjust the height, attach the head of the light, and then simply slip the cover over the top, just like a pillowcase, and wrap it around and secure it with the Velcro along the edges. This has only one light setting, which is controlled by this little switch. I'm just showing you what it looks like off and on. It's actually pretty bright. On this day when I was filming, it was already bright outside. But you can definitely see the improvement, even with just one of these soft boxes, when I tested it out here for you. So I'm really loving these, and I'm using this everywhere, every day for my content creation, and I highly recommend this.